Hey, what's up everyone, this is CJ and you guys are watching Just for Fun, and today I want to show you guys the world's cheapest vacuum robot, which is from My Robot Vacuum-Mop P. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you see on top of this box, you will see every single feature that this robot comes with, like 2100 PA powerful suction, new generation LDS navigation, two-way cleanup, app control, 3-speed water flow, restricted area like virtual walls and all, accurate mapping and real-time positioning. You can see it on your phone when it's mapping and all. Smart and accurate water control. Every single feature that you ever wanted from the vacuum robots, it's already there. You wanted virtual walls, it's there. You want app control, you want cleaning specific area, you want clean specific room, you want to mop. Every single thing, every single feature is available in this robot. In the intro I told you guys this is the cheapest vacuum robot, but the thing is, for $200, 20k, with all these features, you cannot get anything else for that price. So that's the thing. So that's why I call this is the cheapest vacuum robot that is available with the mop, every single feature that you ever wanted, that's there. So finally, once we open this box, you will be greeted with one more box. Inception. Alright, you'll see one more box there, and in that you will see two side fans and the mopping pad. The mopping pad and the mopping mat is very good quality. So I have been using the mop feature from the past 1 week. I'm testing that. It's actually pretty easy to clean. The mop is very easy to clean and it works actually. So these are the side fans that you can attach to the vacuum, but you'll get two of them, but you can use only one at a time because only one side fans that can be attached to the vacuum. So what it does, it helps anything, any dust particle that is at the corner, it will try to remove that and it will try to vacuum it. And this is the warranty card and some guidelines how to use it. So the next thing, you'll get the charging dock, automatic charger, whatever you call it. You'll get this one. This is pretty neat actually, pretty clean. You can just place this on side of a wall and the robot will automatically come charge whenever it needs charging. You don't need to worry about the charging and all. You can schedule in the night. If the charging is low, it will come back, charge, and it will continue the job. And the other thing, you'll get the mop, extra mop, and you also get the charger for the charging dock. So the next one is the most important one. This is the reason I bought this vacuum. You can actually use this 2-in-1 compartment to vacuum and also mop. So that's pretty cool. You can actually fill the water in this tank and it will drop the water to the mop, and you also have filter for this. That's pretty neat. It's not a big tank, water tank kind of thing, but it's really small, but it's sufficient. I think if you are trying to clean your kitchen and dining room, this is sufficient. If you want to mop complete your house, I think you need to do this in the morning time. If the water is empty, you can actually fill it and restart the mopping. I have an advice for you guys. Whoever is buying this for mop, you just sprinkle some water wherever you want to mop and then start the cleanup session. It will be beautiful once the mopping is done. And finally, the vacuum, the robot vacuum. It looks good. It's pretty good for the money we are spending. The glassy top, I didn't like that. If it would have been the matte black or something, that would have been great. But anyway, for the money that we are spending, it's good. They wanted some glassy look, some cool looking thing, but after using this, it will anyway become the matte black, I guess. So that's the dust compartment that you get, and you also get this brush inside, so that whenever you're cleaning it, you can actually clean that with that brush. And these are the buttons that you'll get that on the robot. One is home button. When you click that, it will automatically go to the charging dock and recharge. And the other one is for start and stop the vacuum process. And this is the booklet that you get with this. All the installation process, all the details that you want, everything is available here. And one more thing, guys, MI is actually giving MI automatic soap dispenser because of the delay. So if you have pre-ordered it, go and check out the website or your app. You will find a coupon of the soap dispenser which is worth of $9.99. So you can just add that to your cart and you will get that for free. I will just leave you with that unboxing video. Check that out. It's actually pretty good. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Great vacuuming your home. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.